Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create or how to edit your video become landscape into CapCut application. So first thing we're gonna do is open the CapCut application and go into the new project here, and after that we just need to choose which video that we want to edit or we want to create as a landscape video. Okay, let's have this, and after that click add. Okay, now to make it landscape, see, so here we already have this video but in the portrait mode. If you want to change into the landscape, just go into the ratio and go into the 16:9 ratio. Mostly it's used for YouTube, so just click it, and then now you just need to adjust the size, okay, by clicking the clip until it is in active mode, and then you can like adjusting by like do it through two of your hands, and then like drag it, adjust it the positions too. Okay, and after you finish adjusting it, let's have a check by click this button, this play button. Okay, and how to see it clearly if this already in a landscape mode, we can go into this button. Okay, and now you can see that this video is already in a landscape mode. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you find out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.